Hello guys, this is Moses William here. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome back again to my channel MW Design Strategy, and in this video I will show you how you can create your food website design in Figma. So I will show you everything in this video, how you can do this in creative way as per the latest modern trend of 2021. So watch this video till the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. So let's get started with this tutorial. Okay, so here I am in my Figma file, and now I will show you how to design this website in creative way in Figma. So as you are seeing here, the prototyping I have made here, so you can see all the design and everything here. Let me just show you everything. So this is my file, this is my Figma file, actual file where I design it. So let me just show you everything in this video. So here if you are seeing the prototyping, so let me just show you the whole website, then we will go further for designing this website. Okay, so let's see all this. As you are seeing the above menu and sign in sign up buttons, and side, you are seeing the social media icons. So all this, and you are seeing the chicken korma, our menu restaurant menu, seeing this all. So I have designed this, and I will show you how you can create these kind of shapes here, how you can create this circle and all this in Figma. So I will show you everything, how you can apply the image here. As you are seeing in font, I have applied image, right? I have implemented the image in this font, quick and taste font, as you are seeing here. So I will show you I will show you how to apply this in Figma. So watch this video till the end. Okay, so don't skip this video, because when you skip it, you see some of the main concept, main design features, how we can do this. So don't skip this video. Also, as you are seeing the checkout now, special dishes, so all these I have designed here in Figma, and I will show you how you can also build your own site in Figma as after inspired by this website. Okay, file, and let me just quickly show you how to do this, because the next sections, like the hero image, important, right? So hero image is important, and I will show you how to make it in Figma. Okay, so I copied this from my original file, and now first you have to go to rectangle, select rectangle here, and then we will create rectangle. But before this, but the main thing is you have to apply the layout grid here. Go to the, if you are seeing the right section, get layout grid, you can select the layout grid, adjust your layout grid, make it in columns. Now adjust, keep 12 section, 12 count. Okay, keep 12 columns here, because 12 is enough. And now adjust your gutter 20, I think it should be 20 always. And margin you should give prox, I think it's okay. Margin, you don't have to select margin, just 12 columns important. Okay, so make sure you have added this layout grid here effectively, as I showed you. So then adjust your icons and everything you have designed here inside this grid. Okay, your logo as well. Once you're done with this, now we have to create the section. Okay, the hero image, hero section here. So select the rectangle here. Now create a rectangle like this inside the grid. Okay, make sure you have done it inside the grid. Now round your corners effectively, and now first let me just hide this layout grid, and now just adjust, and now give the some great colors. I already have my color palette, so let me just select this. You can select any color as per you, whatever you want. Okay, as per your desire, you can select your own. Let me just, okay, so now we have to create a text. Go to the above section, text, select text. Now write here your text here, like ordering food in few seconds, right? So I'm just writing this text, and increase your font size, adjust your font, and so we have to adjust it more. Okay, so the font family I'm selecting is prompt. So this is new Google font, amazing Google font. You can select this, you can use it in your own design. Okay, and uh, make it bold, and now little more size should be more. Now adjust your auto space here. Search section here, search bar. Okay, so first go to the above section, select rectangle. Now create a rectangle like this. Okay, and give effective corners so that it should always be look good here. Now duplicate your layer, create another shape because we have to give side border as well. So make sure that you have duplicated your layer and create a new one, and make first one white, proper white, and second layer you have to create you have to give border to the second layer. Let me just show you how you can do this. Give stock, move this, fill, and now reduce the opacity effectively. It should always be look good as like this. So opacity should be you can keep opacity 16 or 15. Below 6 above 16, 15 is okay. Okay, and now we have to create we have to write here search text. So uh, text right here, search your location, uh, enter your location, right? Now adjust your font, it should be 14 and regular. And now change the color, to gray, little gray, like this. And now we have to create action button here. So select circle here and create an action button as I showed you in the designs, in my design. So now create this action button like this. Now you have to adjust and give the shadow. So I will just first show you how to get the icons. Then go to iconify and select location icon. This is amazing plugin, so always use this plugin. Right here, location, and you will see there are multiple location icons which you preferable icon you can choose as per your design requirement and your desire, right? So let me just choose this one and import it here. So this is my icon here. So I will drag this in my file, in my artboard, and now adjust it, make it white. So now we are good to go. Okay, so once we are done with this, now we have to create more section. So first you have to go to rectangle, select rectangle here. Now create this rectangle like this. Round the corners. So for rounding the only two corners, because this is much confusing for people, and sometimes they see these kind of options in Figma. So you can do this in Figma. Go to the section here, right section if you are seeing. Now select independent corners, and now you are seeing there are 4 different type of corner sizes. So you can adjust your preferable corner size, right? Like let me just adjust first one and second one is this. So I am just keeping 200, both 200 size. Okay, or you can adjust more. It depends on the image you select. It depends on the circle, right? So create this kind of shape. Now select color, this one. Now duplicate your layer, expand your layer a little bit more from from all these three sides where I showed you, and now remove this fill and select this stroke. As you are seeing, the outline you are seeing here, right? So this kind of outline you have to create yourself. Now we have to adjust it and make all the sides properly aligned, and space you also have to adjust the space, so give exact space as you are seeing here. Now we have to select the color as well, reduce the opacity to 16 or 15. So once you adjust with this, now we have to add image here. So for image we'll go online and search, we'll search on Google. So right here, transparent food. Let me just show you. And now you can search it yourself on Google, and you will get, there are multiple food transparent images where you can get easily. Okay, so go to this images section, and now you are seeing there are many images here. You can select anyone and import in your design. So I already have. So now create a rectangle like this. Make sure that you create it according to a grid, so visible. You can unhide your grid and make your rectangle accordingly. Now give the round, make your corners round. Now select this stalk, okay, and copy the duplicate your layer and adjust it a little bit like this. Now remove fill from the first one, and now second one we have to keep fill and remove stock. Okay, now give the color accordingly as you are giving to your hero image to the above section. So we'll select it from here as you are seeing this here. So let me just select it here. So once you're done with this, now we have to create a circle. So go to the circle, create a circle like this, okay, and change the color to this one. Now make it in back, okay, and let me just unhide this, hide this layout grid. Now we have to change the color of this rectangle. We'll keep it white, and now we have to go to effects, give it blur, make it blur, background blur. It should be 94 approx. Reduce the opacity like this, and now make it like this. So that's how we can create this rectangle. Now create one more rectangle like this around your corners, make it proper white. Now you can import the icons here and write your text. Let me just show you how you can write it. We have created this one, so without further without going anything, just let me show you how to make another section. So right here our menu here, right here our menu. Now we have to also make the tabs here for menu, like how many dishes we have in our restaurant. So now right here, chicken dishes, and many more dishes in your restaurant. Adjust it accordingly as per the layout grid. Okay, and now make the tab. Select your pen tool and make a tab here. So make a line, make it colorful. Now make this font black, right, to differentiate that this is selectable. Okay, so that the user can switch between these tabs. Okay, and now we have to create this uh, layer which I showed you before in the designs. So next we have to create this layer here. So let me show you how you can do this. Go to the above section, select rectangle. Now create a rectangle like this. Once you're done with this, once you create this kind of rectangle, now what you have to do, double click this rectangle, double click. Okay, once you double click, you will see this kind of, it will appear like this. Now select this. Now when you hover here, you will see the dot. So as you are seeing the dot here. So now once you see the dot, click on this dot and drag it above like this. Same way you have to apply in your own design. So make sure that you have applied the same strategy. Okay, so adjust your layer like this. Now one more layer we have to create before this. Okay, one more layer we have to create before creating this. Let me show you how you can do this. uh, let me undo my so here we have to create one more layer like this. Both sides you have to create the same, and now make your uh, make this layer bend. So if you are seeing this bend section, go to this bend, and now you can do it like this, right? So adjust it accordingly, according to your desire. And this section you have to, for now I'm just rounding the corner of this of both, both these. So click on here for rounding the corners, click this dot and click this one, both you have to click. And now selecting, you are seeing the corners, make this corner roundable 200 or 230, 240. Now you are seeing the results here, the corners are rounding itself, right? So same as same thing you can do yourself. So that's how you can create this shape here in Figma. Okay, and now change the color to your own color. Okay, so let me just select my color code. Adjust your corners like this. Okay, so that's how you can create these kind of shapes. And now we have to create a circle here. Go to the verb section, select circle. Now create a circle like this. Make double circle here. Now first circle we have to give stock. Second one we have to make, we have to keep fill. Okay, so as you are seeing the stock, remove the fill. So are seeing the stock we have done. Okay, so we have to make it red, and this one make it select your color of your border color. Same border color we have to give everywhere. Okay, because we have to keep the consistency in our design. So make sure you have given the same thing everywhere, same color. Now adjust your circle. Now we have to get some images. You can get it in your you write this font, our blog. Now we have to make another, we have to write another one. So let me show you how to do this. Select your font, you can copy this font, above font, and now we have to make it more bigger than we make before. So now right here Indian style. Okay, and now adjust your font, make it according to layout grid. You can visible your layout grid and check out like all the fonts and everything is inside the grid, and effectively you have to adjust it. Now make it 104 size to this today's font. Okay, to this text. And now the image we have to apply in this font, as I in this text, as I told you previously. So how to do this? First you have to go and select the food image like this one. For example, let me just copy this image. You can copy any image you have, and now click on this font style, and now right here, now paste your image here like this, and now you can see the same effect you can give in your design. Let me show you. So like this effect you can give. So make sure that you select the effective image, because this is not looking good. So for image you have to select the different images, the some images which looks good in this font. Okay, because this is some food item images. Okay, so make sure you give more effective uh, food image. So let me just copy this and paste like this one. So that's how these kind of image you can apply in your font to make it more effective to the user. And now next thing we have to do, select pen tool, and we have to create a line here to make this design more good. Okay, so now adjust your, give different color like brown to your border. Okay, and now we have to create some slider like timeline kind of slider. So right here text, let me just copy the font. Now right here, restaurant special. The name is restaurant special blog. Okay, so blog name is where we can write blog name this, and now make it bold, semi bold. Second text we have to give lorem ipsum for now, so duplicate your layer and give lorem ipsum here. Now create a timeline kind of thing here, so for that you have to select pen tool, create this pen tool line. Now duplicate this line and create one more line, change the color to red, and so we have to, because we have to show the timeline. Now again go to text, right here 0.1, because this is one first block and it will change it itself after when the user scroll down. So that's how this kind of feature we have to add here. So the sections, because this is enough video for now, for today it's enough. Okay, because I don't want to make it more longer for user to get confused or to get bored. So that's why I'm creating the half video for now, and in next video I will show you how to create more section, how to create more shape like this, and next section will be for this, like how to create this checkout now slider. Okay, how you can change this. So I will also show you the prototyping. So testimonials, about us, and give gifts and footer I will show you in next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video and enjoy everything and learn everything, how to do this, how to make your design in creative way. Okay, so hope you guys learn from this video. So if you really enjoy this, please hit the thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and new user to my channel, please go and subscribe, because it takes a lot of effort to make these kind of tutorials. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and bell icon to never miss any new video updates, because every weekend I post tutorials videos for website and mobile app designs, how you can create the next level designs in Figma. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.